I'm Mark Ballister. I live in Southport, North Carolina. When we started the process, I went to several places in social media looking for solar companies in the area. Recommendations, good news stories, bad news stories, all that stuff. And Cape Fear Solar was certainly at the top of many folks' lists. I then got bids from 3 different companies, and they were actually very different. And Cape Fear worked really well with me to come up with what I came to realize was the right answer, the right configuration and the right number of cells, and how to work with the local power companies and all that sort of stuff. They seem to have the entire solution, not just install them and walk away, but how to make the whole thing work. Cape Fear was the only one that came to the house and actually did their own site survey, looked at the power infrastructure in the house. Everyone else, wanted to do it from Google Maps or some other thing. It was clear to me that Cape Fear understood the environment.